Hello everyone, I'm Charles. Welcome to Graphic Design Quick Start. In today's episode, I'll be showing you how to create automatically updating pattern in Illustrator. We will start with this flower, scale it and duplicate it with a dynamic effect. You press Ctrl Y to shift to auto mode, Command Y on Mac, you will realize we only have one object. We will later change the color of the petals. A single change of the color of the flower at the top left corner replicates in all the pattern. Also, a complete change of the flower pattern also replicates in the whole pattern. Let us get started. We will start with this flower. Go to the layers panel. Remember, you're targeting the layer, not the object, so that anything we place on the layer later also dynamically replicates. Click on the meatball to target the layer. Go to Effect, Distort and Transform. Click on Transform. Change the copies to 1. Go to the horizontal mob. Press the up arrow to increase the value. In this case, let us use 1 of 5. Go to the copies. Increase the number until they fill the layer. In our case, 10 copies. Click OK. Go back to Effect, Distort and Transform. Transform. Illustrator will warn you that it is applying another instance of the same effect. Click Apply New Effect. Change the copies to 1. Now let's go to the vertical mob. Let us use 1 of 5 also. Go to the number of copies. Press the up arrow until the copies fill the layer. In our case, 4 copies. Click OK. This may seem like a tile pattern, but the difference between these and regular patterns is that whenever you need to make a change, it can dynamically update the whole pattern. To demonstrate that, let us change the color of our smallest petals. Press V to pick selection tool. Click on the small petals. Shift click to select them all. Let us change the color to red. And as you can see, that dynamically updates the whole pattern. Let us also change the color of the target or the center. Always remember you're targeting the layer, not the object. If you decide to use this pattern as a background, we can apply a muted look to it. Press Command Y to shift the outline mode. Pick the rectangle tool. Hold Alt to draw from the center. Also hold Shift to get a perfect square. Control Y, Command Y on Mac to shift to normal view. You can see any shape you add to the layer also replicates. Let us change its color to a muted look. Also, let us take it to the back. Press V to pick the selection tool. Right click on the shape. Go to Arrange. Send to back. Or press Ctrl Shift left square bracket or Command Shift left square bracket on Mac. Let us now invert our selection so that we can select every other object apart from the selected square. Go to Select, Inverse. Let us change the color of flower to white. And there we have a muted pattern. Let us add some text. Add a new layer. Let's type some text. Let us change the color to red. You can make it bold. Let us center it. And there we have it, our muted pattern as a background. That's it for today. Like, share, and consider subscribing to our channel so that you don't miss out on our next episode.